to make an extra opening for some secret storage behind the toe kick. So I take an empty ice cream container and make the hole. I'm starting now with the back panel for the inverter. I'm making a hole in the sideboard that will host an on and off switch for the inverter. So now I'm drilling a hole for the shoreline power, and now a hole for the inverter cable. Then I prepare the busbar for installation. Those are ready to be installed at a later time. I made a back panel for the inverter, a side panel, and a small cover over the floor vent tubing. I use a scrap piece of Formica, and this is from the window, to make the background for the picture. This is not really measured yet, But this is the approximate size, a little bit oversized of what I need. This is the bed, where also the desk will be attached to, and it has a built-in space for a picture. And I want to just finish it with Formica. The outside will be white gloss. All the hidden parts, more or less, will have a dark color. Despite that I put it in here, the picture will probably cover it for 98%, just oversized, so that's fine. So now I take the final measurements and cut it out to the right size. After cutting two sides of a corner at a 90-degree angle, I've been fitting the corners, and this corner gives me a perfect fit. So I found my starting point, and now I'll be adjusting the two opposite sides. Now with a couple of cuts, I'm easing in on the side, and hopefully by now. So now I have three sides. Okay, after a bit adjusting, this should be it. Now it's glue time, and then the inside edges, but those are a little bit easier. So that's one side. I'll let it dry for half an hour or so, and then I'll come back and do the other side. Now I'm adding the back panel for the inverter, and the inverter will be placed here on the left hand side, and this is the area where the floor vent comes in. Okay, and then the side panel. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. Done a good job.